How to fix Windows script host error on your Windows 11 startup. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing this Windows script host error every time you start up your computer, do not worry. I'm here to guide you through some of the steps to resolve this issue. The first step is saving the startup file. For this, open the Windows and then write in wscript.quit. Once you do it, click on Ctrl S to save this file. Name the file as startup and then tap on .vs. After that, you have to click on Save as Type in all files. Then go to this PC, select on Windows and then go to System32 folder and then save it on the same location. If the file already exists, make sure to replace it and then click on Save. However, if this method does not work, there is another solution to it as well. For that, what you have to do is open regedit. For that, you can press in Windows +R and type in regedit.msc, or you could just simply tap on Registry Editor on your system. Once the Registry Editor is opened, go to the location HQ Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows Script Host and Settings. After that, on the right side of the screen, you will see different options. Tap on the Startup option and then double click on it to modify the value. Change the value data from 0 to 1, or you could switch it from 1 to 0 as well. Then tap on OK and save the changes. Now just restart the computer and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.